Morning class 4, we were doing chapter number 2, Roman numerals, and we were doing basic rules to write Roman numerals, children. We have read till rule 3, but once more I would like to explain rule 3. A smaller numeral written before a larger numeral means you have to do subtraction. So IV, I the value is 1, V the value is 5, and I is coming before V. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Ix. I is coming before X. The value of I is 1 and the value of X is 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. Similarly, XL. L, the value is 50 and X is, say, yes, 10. So X is coming before L. So 50 minus 10, 40. XC. The value of C is 100 and the value of X is 10. And X is coming before C. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Now you have to note down some points, children. V, L and D can never be subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X only. I can be subtracted from V and X only. Similarly, X can be subtracted from L and C only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. Clear? Now comes rule number 4. When a smaller numeral is written between two larger numerals, then it is first subtraction and then addition to be done in that case. Now see with example. X, I, V. Now X is 10, V is 5 and I is 1. 1 is a smaller numeral now, written between 10 and 5. Clear, children? I is smaller than X and V. 1 is smaller than 10 and 5, right? The smaller numeral is written between two large ones. Hai na, children? So now you write this X as it is and you first sort out this thing, these two smaller ones. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. This thing you have read in rule 4, children. I is coming before V. So 5 minus 1, 4, and plus 10 will give you altogether 14. Now next see one more example. This x10, this x10, and this is your 1. 1 is smaller and these two are larger numerals than 1. So first sort out this thing. This x is 10 plus I is coming before x. I is coming before X, so 10 minus 1. Because X is 10 na, and I is for 1. So 10 minus 1. So 10, this 10 plus 10 minus 1, 9. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. I hope this is clear to you, children. Now writing Roman numerals for Hindu Arabic numbers from 1 to 10. Children, first you write from 1 to 10. Now 1, you will use symbol I. For 1, you will use the symbol I. Okay. Now 2. Rule 1, remember, children? Remember this thing, I. 1 plus 1, 2. So, I. Rule 1. Then 3. I. 1, 2, 3. Rule 1. Now 4. But you cannot write 4 like this, I. Why? Remember rule 3. And rule 1 also. No symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. So, till 3 times you can use, up to 3 times, not after that. Then you will use rule 3 for writing 4. IV. 5 minus 1. Clear? So, IV. Then for 5 we will use the symbol, right? For 6, 7 and 8. Rule number 2. Addition. See, VI. 5 plus 1, 6. 8. VII. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to. Then comes 9. Rule number 3. Subtraction. Remember, class. IX. 10 minus 1, 9. And the last 10. The symbol we are going to use X. Now let's read the chart once again. For 1, I, 2, II, then 3 then 4 IV, 5V, 6VI, 7 this, and 8VIII, 9IX, and then 10X. Clear? Now children, from 10 to 100 in tens. Hindu Arabic number, and this is your Roman numeral. For 10, symbol X, then 20, XX, repeat, 10 plus 10, 20. Then for 30, XXX, okay. Then for 40, rule number 3. L is for 50, minus 10, 40. Then for 50, we are going to use the symbol L. Then for 60, LX, 50 plus 10, 60. Then for 70 also and 80 also, LXX. Then LXXX. Then comes 90, XC. Remember rule 3, subtraction. 100 minus 10, 90. Then for 100, the symbol C we are going to use. Now, when we write any number up to 100 children, in Roman, we separate the tens and ones, and then first write the Roman numeral for the tens and then write the Roman numerals for the ones. So see, 52. First you separate the tens and ones. 50 plus 2. Now 50, for 50 we'll use L, for 2 II. So 52. Then 49. For 40 XL, remember, and for 9 IX. Okay, so 49. Similarly for 84. 80, 50, 60, 70, 80, and for 4 IV. Similarly for 99, 90 plus 9, for 90 XC, and for 9 IX. But you don't have to go so far, you just learn these rules. Okay, now I'll be sending you some more work in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.